Several civil rights groups already filed lawsuits against the state's new elections bill. That legislation started even before the governor signed SB 1 into law today in Tyler. KXAN's Monica Madden explains one group's legal arguments.
I'd be astonished if a law like this was not challenged in court.
After signing his party's elections overhaul bill into law, Republican Governor Greg Abbott doubled down on his defense of the legislation.
It does make it easier for people to be able to go vote. No one who is eligible to vote will be denied the opportunity to vote.
Plaintiffs in the federal lawsuits argue differently.
This is about rigging it so you can keep power.
The League of United Latin American Citizens is one of several groups suing, saying the law would disproportionately affect voters of color and therefore violate their 14th Amendment rights.
It's about making sure that people that are black and brown don't vote. Think about a construction worker who's working from 7 in the morning till 7 in the afternoon, and the only time he or she may have a time to vote is late night.
Republicans point out that 24-hour voting was not a regular option for Texans prior to the pandemic, and that the new law expands early voting hours.
The president's home state of Delaware provides 0 days and 0 hours of early voting. No one is saying that what happens in Delaware denies people the right to vote.
Still, groups like LULAC believe this is the latest effort to limit voting access.
We were concerned when there was a poll tax. We were concerned when there was literacy tests, and we still put on. And we're going to continue to fight.
Keep in mind, LULAC has not been able to estimate the number of Texans they think will be hurt by this law, and the legislature did not do a minority impact study on this law either. At the Capitol, Monica Madden, back to you.